Greetings of the day, dear parents and students. I am thrilled to welcome you all to the series of podcast Roadmap for Acing SSCE Examination. It's my pleasure to be here today as you prepare for one of the most important milestones in your academic journey, that is the board exams. I understand that this phase is quite stressful, but with the right approach, you can tackle it with confidence and success. It's my pleasure to welcome Miss Anjali Kumar, HOD Biology Department, Delhi Public School, Bangalore East. She has been working here as a biology teacher for more than a decade. She is a dedicated and inspiring educator whose passion for teaching has left a lasting impact on countless students. She has been recognized with some prestigious awards like IIHM and Sahodaya, the Best Teacher Award for unwavering dedication to the field of education. Ma'am, to begin with, my first question is, what is the latest exam pattern for biology board exam?
Greetings of the day, dear parents and students. The question paper has good combination of analytical questions as well as direct questions, which involves MCQs, reasoning and assertion, phrase-based questions, long answers, and short answers. The question paper is divided amongst 5 sections. Section A has 16 questions, 1 mark each. Section B has 5 questions, 2 marks each. Section C has 7 questions, 3 marks each, followed by Section D, which has got 2 case-based questions, 4 marks each, and Section E has got 3 questions, 5 marks each. Internal choices will be given in some questions. A student has to attempt only one of the given alternatives and not both, as it's a sheer wastage of time.
Thank you, ma'am, for the detailed briefing of the board exam pattern, a valuable insight for students to tackle the exams effectively. My next question, a time strategy provides a sense of control, allowing you to stay calm and focused. So, what should be the time limit for each section?
I do agree that time management is crucial during writing an exam to ensure that you complete the task, present your ideas, maximize your score, follow a time strategy during exam. For instance, 10% time for planning, 80% time for writing, and 10% time for reviewing the paper. So for biology paper, the total time allotted is 3 hours or 180 minutes. Section A can be completed within 30 minutes. Section B, not more than 25 minutes. Section C, 50 minutes. Section D, 20 minutes, followed by Section E, which can be completed within 40 minutes. Remaining 15 minutes can be the recheck time, where you can revise the paper thoroughly.
Thank you, ma'am. Your time management strategies will undoubtedly empower our students to optimize their study time and excel in the board exams. What are some common mistakes students tend to make in biology board examination?
So, dear students, we all know to err is human, but with a careful approach, we can definitely reduce silly mistakes. First of all, don't ever write lengthy answers for 2-marker questions. You have to be very precise and up to the point. See that all important keywords are mentioned in your answers. You draw diagrams, but forget to label them, which is a very common error. Try to avoid it. Sometimes in a hurry, you swap the answers where you have to write the differences between. Sometimes the questions have different subparts where you tend to skip some of the subparts, like be very careful while attempting such questions. Otherwise, you will simply lose marks in spite of the fact that you knew the answer. To draw crosses based on genetics with appropriate symbols for sex-linked and autosomal disorder is a must. In MCQs, apart from writing options like A, B, C, D, you should also write the corresponding statements. Never waste time for the answers if you aren't confident about. Try to attempt such questions at the end. Even if you're not sure about the answer, write something relevant which may help you to get some marks. Case-based questions can be asked in the form of paragraph, diagram-based, or graph-based, which is one of the most analytical questions in biology paper. Read it carefully, analyze it, and relate it to the correct topic.
Thank you, ma'am, for outlining crucial steps that help students avoid mistakes and secure good grades in their board exams. Guidelines play a crucial role during exam, especially in writing based assessment. So my question is that what are the essential guidelines for students to follow to write an exam effectively?
To write an exam effectively, students should follow some important guidelines. Do not get panicked the moment you look at the paper. Stay calm. Utilize 15 minutes of the reading time wisely. Read all the questions thoroughly and understand what is being asked. Identify easy and high scoring questions that you can answer first. Avoid spending too much time on one question. Move on and return if needed. Keep 10-15 minutes for revision. For long answers, use headings, subheadings, or bullet points. Draw neat and label diagrams whenever required. Ensure that labeling is done correctly. Use only one pen to write and underline. Don't waste time in using different color pens. Write concisely and legibly. Keep your answers clear and relevant. Ensure that each response clearly specifies the corresponding question number and sub-question number as per the question paper. Attempt all questions where there is a choice to be made from one of the given question. Choose that question where you are confident of scoring more marks. Avoid attempting both.
Thank you, ma'am, for providing valuable guidelines to help students confidently face their board examination. Thank you for taking the time to share your insights related to Biology Grade 12 board examination. The information you provided will certainly deepen students' understanding to attempt biology paper with caution and confidence. All the best, my dear students.